Hello, my family got into the mystery Twinkies. So, I don't know what they taste like, but they're already open. But here are the mystery Twinkies by Hostess. They are mystery, limited edition. Hostess Twinkies, guess the flavor. We don't know. Right here, Twinkie. It smells sweet. Tastes like a normal Twinkie to me, which is extra sweetness. Yeah, it's just extra added sweetness. I just wanted to rebrand it. It's like candy, like bubblegum, or like fruity flavor. Some sort of fruity flavor. Or just like sweeter, I don't know. It could be just sweeter. It is a lot sweeter. Let me try a second Twinkie. I know it says serving size. Serving size 2 cakes. Didn't know that. This is so good. It's a 10 out of 10. Clap your hands, cause it's an ace for me. Peace. Tastes sweet. Bye.